Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about the trading analysis for 6th of May 2020. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, it was a very good day for trading, especially when we talk about the London session. London session was very good to trade today, and you know that I provide the signals before the London session. So guys, first of all, let's get started with Euro USD. I'm going to take you towards the Euro USD chart here. So guys, today I have predicted the downward trend in case of Euro USD from 108,159, and during the London session the market has however made somehow the downward momentum, but overall if you can see that the momentum was very weak on Euro USD. There was after London session the market just kept into the range, it has gone nowhere. So overall, if you have traded my signal based on the London session, then you must have taken the profit by trading the Euro USD. At next, I'm going to talk about New Zealand USD that hit perfectly today. That was a bearish signal from my side from 060561. That was the entry, and 060257 was the target price. And guys, the big drop is in front of your screen. New Zealand USD has completely went down as per predicted by 200forexclips.com. And if you have traded New Zealand USD, then you must have profited from it. And guys, also please go on to my Facebook page. Today Stephen has taken the coaching from me, and let me show you here. So basically Stephen has taken the coaching from me, and guys, today he made a very good profit. He made $730, and guys, he has posted his review on the Facebook. So guys, you need to go on to my Facebook page, that is 200 Forex Clips, and you can find that how he has taken the coaching from me, that how I prepared this signals report. So he has learned from me and made 730 pound today. At next, we're going to talk about USDCHF. Okay guys, so overall we have seen the slower momentum here, but during the London session the market was making the upward momentum from 097418, and if you look at here, the market is still on to the entry price back. So overall a loose momentum is seen today on USDCHF. However, a little bit bullish momentum is seen, so it was okay for trading. So we have just traded it during the London session. After that the market was into the range. Okay, at next we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD that went perfectly fine. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Great Britain Pound USD from 124204, and 122440 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop that has appeared on Great Britain Pound USD already, and if you have traded that drop, then guys, you must be in a very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about AUDJPY, which is normally the last signal of my signals report. So I have supplied the bearish signal in case of AUDJPY from 68372, and guys, 66788 is the target price. And guys, you can see on the screen already AUDJPY has gone way down on the screen, and if you have profited from it, then I just recommend all traders who have profited from it, then please send the screenshots to my email so that I can share on my Facebook page. As well, the same thing is happened with USDJPY. Let me show you. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of USDJPY from 1062696 and 105154 was the target price. Overall, it was into the weaker zone. That's why I have turned bearish on it, and you can see a complete drop on USDJPY as well. So overall guys, my subscribers are heavily satisfied with the signals, and if you have also profited from the signals, then guys, please send me the screenshots of your profits so that I can post on my Facebook page. Okay, moreover guys, you can see there is a trading system attached on the chart. So how to use that one? So whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And when the market comes into the top red boundary, and if you see that it's losing the momentum from the overbought levels, then you can sell the pair. This is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to get the expert advisor that you see in my previous videos, and if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, how I come to know in the morning that USDJPY is bearish and whatever Euro USD is going to be bearish, it's based on a trick. And if you want to learn that trick, then I teach that trick for $700, and I take the 3-day Skype coaching. And guys, I'm booked up for appointment till tomorrow. So after that, after tomorrow, you can book your appointments for the coaching as well. So guys, just make sure that do not miss that opportunity. Go onto the Facebook page. Also on 1st of May of my video that was posted on 1st of May, the subscriber who has taken the coaching from me has also commented on that video. You can also read that comment, and also you can go into the Facebook page and you can read the detailed comment about the coaching that he has learned from me. And guys, moreover, if you are willing to get the trading system, signals, and coaching, and for everything, you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.